Transferring money from a Bankmobile VIBE to the Cash App is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from your Bankmobile VIBE account to the Cash App, firstly, sign in to your Bankmobile VIBE account either through the app or at the website. Here, look for the option related to transfers or moving money. Next, choose the method you prefer. Go for debit card transfer to link a debit card or for bank transfer to link a bank account. Next, follow the straightforward instructions to complete your transfer. With just a few taps, you'll be able to move your funds from Bankmobile VIBE to Cash App. Remember to verify the details and ensure a smooth transaction. Be aware of the processing times for both Bankmobile VIBE and Cash App. Transfers may take some time to reflect in your Cash App balance. Check for any fees associated with transfers from Bankmobile VIBE to Cash App. Both platforms may impose fees for certain transactions. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process or have specific questions, contact customer support for both Bankmobile VIBE and Cash App.